how to buy DEGEN capital token. Now the symbol of this token is DEGENC. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token is available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, this token, it's under Base network, and now to be able to buy it, just click on here to copy the token address. Now I will use the Bitget White for that. Just click here and select the Base as the network. After that, click on this plus icon and paste the token address. After that, select your token for here and click on this wording and read all of that. And if you are ready to go, just click on confirm and click on plus here. Now to be able to find this token in your wallet, just go to your wallet. After that, wait a few seconds, and this is the token. Just click on it. Now after that, what you need to do, click on swap and switch here to be able to buy it. Now here, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC. Make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, ensure how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you will receive, and after that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the DEGEN capital token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.